Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install games and apps in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, swipe up to open app gallery and then click on Play Store. Now in Play Store, sign into your Google account, and after that, if you want to install games, then here click on games and then you can search for your game. And if you want to install apps, then click on apps, and from here you can search your app. So for example, if you want to install a app, so just click on the app and click install. Now it will start downloading, and after it completes the download, you can use this app. So now this app is downloaded and it's installing now, and after installation you can use this app. So that's how you can download and install games and apps in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.